Hello everyone. Today we talk about computer system. We are find computer in every places and everywhere. First of all, introductions. A programmable electronic device designed to accept data, perform prescribed mathematical and logical operations at high speed and display the results of these operations is called computer. Example, desktop and laptop computer, tablets and smartphones. We all know that computers play a role in every field of life. They are used in homes, business, educational institutions, research organizations, medical field, government office, entertainment, etc. Now discuss about computer diagram. In this diagram we see that monitor, speaker, keyboard, mouse, CPU and wireless internet router. Now discuss block diagram. In a block diagram we can see input unit. Input unit is keyboard, mouse, which is input data in computer. Second, storage unit. Storage unit used to store the input data and other informations. This is secondary storage and primary storage. Third is output unit. Output unit display information and data in computer monitor. Fourth is central processing unit, CPU. In this, control unit and arithmetic and logical unit. This is called brain of computer. Now we will discuss internal parts of CPU one by one. Now first we discuss about power supply. You plug your computer in like any other appliances, but a computer does not use power in the same way as a lamp and other electrical device. Different computer components need different specific amount of power which the power supply provided. This is diagram. This is CPU cooler. Powerful computer can generate a lot of heat enough to damage themselves. Desktop computer and some laptop have cooling systems that draw heat away from the components and release it. CPU stands for central processing unit, the component with lot of circuit and resistors which create most of heat. So this fan is used to release energy outside, heat energy outside. Next is RAM. RAM or random access memory is a computer quick access storage area. It stores bit of information needed while the computer is running. Such a program instructions. Over the years, RAM storage and technology has improved dramatically. This is used for primary storage device. Next, processor. The processor is the main brain of computer. The processor is where programs are run, decisions are made, and data is retrieved, written, and sent to memory for storage. Like RAM, processors have grown dramatically smaller and more efficient over the year. Generally, we use Intel processor for processing. This is motherboard. Motherboard consists all the components inside the CPU. The motherboard is the framework on which all the computer components exist. Like other parts of computer, it consists conductor wired into pathway, but rather than forming resistors, they turn on and off. The motherboard make connection between one set of circuit and another. Next is graphic cards. Older computer had extremely simple display, a single colors or on black. Today PC have monitor that can show millions of colors and can render complex 3D animations. They do this with the help of graphics card. This card is used to provide animations and different color feature in computer. Next, hard disks. If a computer RAM is like a news feed it use each day, the hard disk is the library that store everything it needed before or may need again, like your photos, music and document. Most computers have internal hard drives, but increasingly users store data externally. This is internal secondary memory device, and we can use pen drive as a secondary memory device. This is all about internal components. Once again, see the pictures. This is graphic cards, motherboards, processor, RAM, CPU cooler, fan, and last, power supply. I hope you understand the internal components of CPU and the basic of the computers. Study these all parts in your home with this video and stay safe. Thank you.